so that we'll just keep
you
it.
didn't have to like the test one thing this year.
No.
What is it? Summer or like intern? Like
Year placement. That's what I put down for.
trying to get summer on my youth. No one wants to hire me there.
Trying to get year abroad now. You don't get a semester abroad. I don't know, they've got like a few... They're doing this like competition thing. And they've got like New Zealand, Australia, America.
Oh, I'll be live. Which one was you
I don't mind any. I haven't been to either of any of them. So I'll take it.
If you got to choose.
Australia probably.
No, America. I'll go America then.
I wanna go in America when I'm like older. Like a road trip, Route 66.
Yeah, that'll be sick.
So if my mates get to go as well, then sorry, just go like basically a lad's holiday. Yeah.
No, basically, yeah, when we're 25, we're going to Vegas.
We'll go for Gal's thingy, black party.
Gal's black party. He married the husband. Gal.
Went off a loadout. Is there a buy here?
I'll see where no one landed here. Oh, do you want to get behind? Get behind.
Vendor here if you need to buy.
Yeah, come on. Adrian, where's the satchel?
I already got it.
Marked it.
Oh, cool. I thought you marked it. Oh, that's fine. We could have just got the bounty. Probably would have got poached. Got legs for days. I hope no one answered.
Anyway, what's uni saying? Is it hard?
Uni?
This year. Fuck.
Yeah.
I hate this year.
Dead because you can't. I can't study online. Like I can't concentrate.
Yeah.
I just end up putting the lectures and watch something else.
I had the maddest wake up call, man. Because this whole year, like first term, I did like barely any work. And I was getting carried because I was just like copying off my house base and we was doing the test together. And I had one test here a couple of weeks ago. Fuck, yo, so badly. Like, probably the worst test I've done at uni. It's that bad. Now, pattern up my schedule. You knew me.
Big man.
Oh, why am I lagging? Look at this. Anyone have sniper ammo?
I got 8.
For 40.
Large caliber here.
I'm trying to... Okay, apparently that's cracked. Then buffalo or something.
Car 98. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it again. Go back to the bounty. I'll pick up the one. Yeah.
There's one behind. Yeah.
There's people here. There's people there.
Where? Which one?
Green.
Yeah, buy UAV.
Hell yes. Grab that cash.
Hey, don't pop it yet. Let's pick up the bounty. Let me go pick up the bounty.
Our team's in the safe zone.
Yes, down.
How many is there?
Oh, he's one back. You know.
Cracked him. No again. Oh, bro. Team
That's
wipe.
on the bounty, that's on the bounty.
Bounty's running. Bounty's running.
Evaded the enemy track. Good work.
Oh, I'm
Chase
lagging.
him down. Chase him down.
I'm lagging. Back to him, I'll go on the back.
Requesting recon.
Still there.
UAV entering the AO.
Cracked him.
Well, I'm getting shot on the right.
Yeah, look at the UAV.
There. Wait. That's not where I'm marking. What the hell?
Give another,
Guys,
another,
run up
another.
to you. Yeah.
Right there.
Oh.
Blood crossed fingers.
Your teammate was sent to Gulag.
Behind you, Adrian. Oh, bro, what?
What?
thought it was shooting, and then shooting, and I realised it was, like, your body was inside.
Fight for a chance to redeploy.
Requesting recon.
Solid 88 damage. How'd I get 88? A crack. Oh, screw this game. Like, Kirsten, I got you, alright? He's going down the middle. He's gonna be in front of you, Hey, let's go.
Yo, Adrian, is it safe?
Yeah.
There's a buy station, probably need to buy me back.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for
Let me get my stuff back and then we'll buy it back.
Why'd you land here? You died over there on blue.
He went where I died.
Yeah, on blue. Both
Oh,
of
that's
them
my,
on
yeah.
blue.
Oh, you're on blue. Hey, is this some bot? There is some bot. Oh, yeah.
There's people down there.
Moving position.
Well, I don't know how I went inside and I didn't. He managed to come out at the same time.
No, he came from. Wait. He was here. The guy was legit hiding in the corner.
No, he was here.
I like.
But I came inside,
Yeah.
but I didn't see him. And he left and he didn't even shoot me.
There's bare satchels and stuff in there. Semtex and stuff.
Gonna go buy station.
Yeah, we'll just get UAVs and stuff. Adrian's got 1.5k.
13 or 15.
So we need to get self as well.
Yeah, come on, let's do something.
Adrian, did you pick up my UAV? Wait, did I pop my
Yeah,
UAV?
used it.
friendly loadout drop on the way.
I think there's one loadout.
Got money here?
Hell yes.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
You buy UAV as well?
I did.
One as well.
Oh, I don't need one. I'll buy stuff.
Get a cluster or something.
Too late. Hold it for when the next person dies.
True.
In that case, you probably shouldn't have the money.
I was waiting,
Give
I
it
was
to
waiting.
Adrian.
Darren.
Bounty
No
there.
one in Birmingham.
Tag the bounty contract.
Copy. Bounty contract.
Beetle hunters. Assemble.
Below. Adrian, he's streaming.
Yeah.
Target identified. Slot the bastard.
We don't get monetized though, you can say anything. It's fine.
Yeah, well. What if someone like records it and get cancelled?
It depends what you gotta say.
I wanna get cancelled.
Are they in a car? What the?
I think they're on top of that.
Setting waypoint.
But no, they're moving.
Cancel that.
Is it the heli?
Oh, you
Is
think?
it them? Yeah, I think it's them. Guy back parachuting in.
Where did you go?
Oh shit! There's 3 loadouts there.
AO.
Need recon on my position.
AO.
Bro, there's teams in all the houses.
He's in this building, he's in this building.
Live mocked him.
Eyes on.
Down one.
RTB for resupply.
Yeah,
Self.
self. He's getting pushed by someone else.
Bear man in this area.
Let me top another UAV. There's a team in this house, by the way.
Yeah.
There's like 3 people. Popping.
UAV overhead.
Oh, they're all in that building next to it. Nice.
Bro.
Nice, 2 for 1.
Carry.
There's two in there.
Fuck.
Oh, get shot. Oh, God.
Is it from
From
bounty
where?
building?
Safe.
Careful.
Yeah, it's bounty, I'm safe.
They're coming.
Oh, I never just tapped my thingy.
Yeah, they are. They're right. There's two of them.
Yeah, I got 2 down.
Walk it off.
Nice.
You got it. Bro, the carry.
Oh, is there any bites in it?
Fucking do this.
There's one we passed before.
It's not too bad a carry. I'm on 4.
I'm on 200 damage. Great.
Oh, it was 16k. Buy me back. Say, let's go.
There's an armor box. There's loads of satchels and stuff here. You can just pick those up.
Wait, Debbie, baby. I'm using the MP7 game, bro. It actually cracked. MP7.
MP7?
Yeah. Sick. But I feel like if I had a Mac 10, I would have got this killed.
I need to get a Mac 10 loader. I don't think mine's decent.
Mine's pretty.
Oh, they're all dead, bro. The loadout disappeared. Actually, no, there's one left.
Heading this way.
I'm just still in the house. There's so much loot here.
Oh,
Kids have just
damn,
come in.
good.
Guy over there, Adrian.
Where?
In graveyard. I saw him running through.
That Mac 10 gone. Oh, new screen. Oh, there it is.
Enemy UAV overhead.
He's there.
Setting waypoint.
It's just him.
Yeah, just only one guy.
Oh, yeah, he's the Bullfrog.
Yeah.
How is it?
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Very sick, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, get in here.
Hey, what would you guys rather? Munitions box or armor box?
Let's take it.
I've got,
Gas is moving in. New
got
safe
nothing.
zone located.
Come pick up the armor box.
Get the, call it.
This is here if you need.
Self.
Alright.
Yeah.
Heading this way.
Semtex one.
Thing is, that wasn't team wipe. I don't know. Did that guy have self?
Nah, he didn't.
I didn't see anyone else. Away as well. It's just one guy running in the field.
As in, he didn't have guns anyway.
I probably just
I
landed
think he
in
landed, yeah. So his teammate might have landed somewhere else. There's people in orange though.
behind us. Wait, that's super stuff.
Yeah.
Can you see anyone? I want to go snipe someone.
Gas is moving.
Where are the people at? Man?
Where the people look, they probably realised you're back on the game and disappeared.
Our team's in the safe zone.
They don't want the smoke with the K9.
So you've died like 4 times this game.
No.
No,
One
not
time.
for me.
3 times, 3 times.
Now you died first in the start as well.
Yeah, and then one time then. And then you
2
bought me
times.
back 1 time.
2 times.
That's
Guy
why.
here.
Oh, someone landed back there,
Heading
yeah.
this way.
Waypoint mark. Move.
Run, Bedaji, run. I kinda wanna push it.
Adrian's already gone.
Yeah, actually.
He's in blue, yeah? Fuck it, man.
We big dogs. Oh. Ghosted.
No.
How's he
that-
ghosted? He's landing back.
He wasn't, I don't think he was 90 back.
I don't think he is ghosted. So someone just bought that train as well.
He's not on Heartbeat.
Not in this building.
So you guys. Oh.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, maybe his loadout was on the road. Sometimes the loadout lands here. And maybe
Yeah,
we
it
should
does.
go.
Wait, I got. Where's it going?
New advanced
I just-
UAV, does it show people that aren't ghosted?
Nah, it doesn't.
There's a VSAT show people that I ghosted.
That's what you asked.
What I'm talking about.
Oh. Where is this one guy? Has he just left the game?
Nah, actually, maybe.
Nah, what do you want to do now? Should we go back to the building we were on before?
Oh.
Shots? There.
No, there's a guy on SOS shooting him.
Waypoint mark. Move.
Someone training as well.
Waypoint mark. Move.
Are you sniping?
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Bounty contract marked.
I think the guy is in this building, or one of those buildings.
Well, I just realised we've got bare money. Let's go buy some stuff.
I got 500 rupees. What are you talking about? Oh, we should have got the
I'll
bounty.
donate you some. I'll donate you some money.
I'll get the bounty.
Is that building safe to... Is
Which one?
that bicycle safe?
No, I don't think so.
Bounty target is up. Let's
Oh,
get
wait.
it.
He's in the open.
Two of them, at least.
Over here.
Marking rally
Yeah.
point.
They just jumped over.
Really?
Gas is closing in.
They're gonna. He's pushing on the right.
Yeah.
Oh, down one.
No, I cracked
No,
that guy.
self-revive.
No, I cracked that guy.
Yeah, I'm trying to get up.
No way he self-revived that, man. Fuck's sake, that was such a nice flank.
No, there's a guy flanking right around.
Yeah?
I cracked him again.
Down one guy. Thirsted one guy.
He's gonna have to come this way, innit?
They might be pushing to
Kill them.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
No!
How did he manage to put a fucking thing down?
There's a heli up there now.
Oh shit, let's go back to Gift.
The guy jumping down.
Enemy spotted.
He went into the house.
Which house?
He went inside into the one with the heli on top.
Oh, right, oh. No, where did the guy who jumped off? Oh, right.
Yeah, he
oh,
went
okay,
inside.
Yeah, nah, mate.
Yeah.
Calling up now. Get this done. Sharpish. Gas is inbound.
Should we get into these houses?
Safe point mark. Move.
And he just blew up.
Bro, we should have like a self-revive or something. Look at my money. Have you ever seen this much money?
Bro, we're
Yeah,
playing
my bank
Plunder, man. There's a buy here, if you really want to go to it, but the team's on Twins.
Well, he like self-revives, that's the thing.
I think there's still a team up there, I think.
Yeah, that's the thing, there's teams on Twins. What, on here?
Yeah, Twin Towers, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, I can hear it.
Is it you guys? I don't know
Oh,
if there's
super,
someone
super,
up
super.
there.
Target right here. Mark the
Hotel's
target.
still up though.
They're watching. I can't see, man. This is so. Watch your head tops.
I think there's anyone on top of these buildings. Oh no, there is, I think.
Enemy
Yeah, there is,
UAV
there is.
overhead.
There's people there, there's people there.
Yo, no, no.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Where?
Holy shit!
Careful, there's people behind you.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work.
There's one of them.
He's there.
Move it.
Down the guy there.
Setting waypoint.
People behind you guys as well, yeah.
There's a guy in
Yeah, on the roof.
PC World.
Mark the target.
I didn't get the kill here, so the guy's already self-arrived.
Are you guys
Guy's
shooting?
there.
Setting waypoint.
Guy on blue.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh,
I downed him,
bro,
I downed him, I downed him, I downed him.
Okay, can you get me?
Closing in. Relocating the safe
Yeah.
Are you down there?
I'm on the roof,
Agent,
yeah, I'm
can
on
you
the
get
roof.
me?
They're on the roof.
Yeah, I'm on the roof, I'm on the roof.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Safe. Okay, wait, Agent, you're in
Yeah,
America. Did you get the guy on TV? On,
Target down.
Huh?
the guy on blue marker? There's a guy up
Come on,
there.
man.
We need to move to one of these.
yeah, yeah, bottom floor, bottom floor. The PC World.
Got gas moving in.
I can hear coughing on my left.
Yeah, 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 I see him. Behind this wall.
What?
No.
Ach, Digga.
Oh, there's people on top of their petrol thing. Burger there.
Bro. Zone's coming in, crap.
Yeah, you see?
Hold up.
Oh, how did it get me, man? What the fuck?
I got gas mask, I'm trying to crawl in.
Get to the
Hey.
safe zone.
Okay.
Bro, I was mad, I crawled so far.
Get you up.
Yo, there's people on top of the burger van, yeah? There's like,
Yeah.
Alright, how do you going to play this?
Got gas moving in.
The sniper further back too. The sniper further back.
Taking fire over here. That's it. Shake it off.
Behind.
I'm
Yeah,
putting
on top of that
ammunitions in.
building.
I'm putting ammunitions down.
Sort them out.
Oh, I didn't.
Go and use that gear.
Oh, how did he get me? What the fuck?
Who's me?
okay. Anyone need the armor box? Oh, they're coming.
Down one.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
No, how did he get me? There. Oh, behind me. Right there.
The guy there?
Gas is inbound.
Safe zone ain't getting any closer.
No, no.
Oh, bro. They're on the opposite side, for flip's sake. They just landed on the loadout as well. Hey, ended to pull us out.
No.
They've won.
Bro,
Pull us
I
out,
would
pull us out.
have been able to make it. Fuck. He came second as well.